Hi there, this is Tracy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make movable puppets. One kind of like this. To start, you'll need to prepare some supplies. You'll need these paper fasteners. These are really important. Straws or possibly popsicle sticks as an alternative. Either staples, tape, or duct tape. Construction paper of any color that you want, scissors, glue stick, pencil or Sharpie to draw with. You need to prepare coloring supplies, markers, color pencils, or crayons. So the first step is you need to take your paper, construction paper, and you need to draw your template. Having the arms and legs to be thicker will be better later on when you need to attach all the different pieces together. Here is the pig template. Let your creativity flow. You want to make sure you create a head of any animal you'd like, okay? And then the body, and then 2 arms about the same size, and 2 legs about the same size. You can draw patterns on the body, color, however you'd like. Here is the bunny template. Remember, each shape doesn't have to be perfect. Every hand-drawn shape is beautiful in its own way. Here is the frog template. You can use construction paper, create a design on the outfit. That's when you need to use scissors to cut and then use glue to put the pieces on. You can use the leftover scraps to create more shapes to collage onto your puppet. So after you draw the template and do all of your coloring, it's time to cut. You take your scissors and you can start cutting each of these pieces out. Try to follow the outlines that you've drawn when you are cutting. And remember which ones are your legs and which ones are your arms. If you'd like, you can also write down which ones are the arms and legs on the back of each piece. So the pieces will look something like this. Here's the arm, here are the legs. When it's time to put everything together, this is where we need to use the paper fasteners, okay? And if you have a hole punch, that's even better. We need to hole punch the joints. So one where the neck would be, you need a hole punch where the arms would be, and where the legs are, so all the joints. And if you don't have a hole puncher, you can have a parent help you. You want to pierce it on a flat surface, and then you poke it through, okay? You spread the wings out, just like that, and then flip the wings inside to the center, because you don't want to poke your fingers on the ends, so this is what you do. Bend it towards the inside, okay? And that way, your head is going to move. Now you want to do this, the same thing, with the arms and the legs. You want to make sure both the legs and the arms are about the same length when you are pinning the joints together. Now you have a frog, the full rabbit. You want 2 straws, bend the tips. For the arm, you will need to cut one of the straws a little bit shorter, okay, like that. For the head, you can keep it long. Staple up here, okay, and you want the horizontal one here and the textured one on the front. So that is one way to do it. The back looks like this. And the front looks like this. The staple will hold better. You could also use tape like I did here. If you don't want to see the staple on the front side, you can use tape. Although duct tape would be stronger than the Scotch tape that I used, okay? Attach it to where the hand is. And there is your final puppet. If you want to give yourself a challenge. And for the elephant, 2 legs are attached to 1 fastener. So you can still see that it has a moving head, a body right here, and then 4 legs attached to the bottom. Here's the mermaid. The straw is connected to the head and the tail. The puppets can dance. You can create stories and put on skits. You can create your own puppet show. So after you're done with everything, please make sure you clean up after yourself and recycle all of your scraps. Thank you for letting me teach you today. Hope you enjoy.